and a very warm welcome to my Perfect Githeri recipe class. My good name is Sharon Shagiri and this is Cooking with Shani, where we talk about cooking ideas for the common African kitchen, lifestyle, diets, and of course, we do improve our self-esteem here at Cooking with Shani. If you're listening to me for the first time, please do give me your subscription and like my video. Most of all, click on the notification bell to get all my cooking updates. Githeri is a staple food in central Kenya, popularly known for its nutritive value at a pocket-friendly cost. My recipe is easy to follow and I'm using simply acquired ingredients fresh from the farm, and the result is super amazing. So let us get started. For the ingredients, I have 2 cups of mixed soft maize and beans boiled. I also have a cup of chopped cabbage, and I am mixing this with a bunch of chopped coriander leaves as I will be using them together last. I am also having 6 Irish potatoes chopped, a bunch of spring onion chopped, 3 large tomatoes chopped, 2 large carrots chopped, 1 green pepper chopped, 2 cups of water, a half a teaspoon of salt, 2 beef cubes and 1 beef chili cube, and of course some cooking oil. All my ingredients are listed in the description box. Feel free to check them out. So back to our cooking procedure. In my cooking pot, I am adding my cooking oil, followed closely with my half a teaspoon of salt, and I am mixing this well, and this is cooking under medium heat for uniform browning of my next ingredients. Next, I am going to check whether my oil is hot enough as confirmed by bubbles around my wooden spoon, and I will go in with my bunch of spring onions. Spring onions are good for lowering blood pressure. They also offer your food a very unique taste, and they actually have an undertone of garlic taste. To this, I'm adding my green pepper and chopped carrot. I am introducing my carrot at this stage because they take up a lot of heat, thus allowing for uniform cooking, and they also tend to dye my cooking oil and give our githeri a beautiful orange color. So I'm going to saute this for 3 minutes under medium to high heat before adding my tomatoes. Three minutes later, my mixture is nicely done, and I'm giving everything a final mix before I go in with my tomatoes. Three minutes later, my vegetable mix is well steamed, and I am giving everything a thorough mix to get a uniform broth before I add my beef cubes and my beef chili cube. Mixing is a very important part of a food making process. You may also add a little water for evening out the flavors and preventing our thick gravy from burning. Next, I am adding my maize and beans mixture and stirring everything as well. Then I will follow this with my Irish potatoes. I am finally topping this up with 2 cups of water, and I will cover it, allow it to simmer for 10 minutes to allow the Irish potatoes to cook and the gravy to integrate so well. So see you after 10 minutes. Ten minutes later, my gravy has just thickened up perfectly how I want. I mean, just see. And the aroma here is worth dying for. And to our final ingredients, we are adding our sliced cabbage mixed with coriander leaves. And if there is a secret I got to tell you today, is that never fail to add your coriander leaves to your githeri, and you will thank me later. This will simmer for another 3 minutes before serving our meal. Serving time is here, and githeri can be served plain as I am doing today, or with avocado fruit, or with chapatis. It is also quite a good accompaniment for tea, and oh, you need to try this with beef tripe, commonly known as matumbo here in Kenya. It is a very versatile meal, as you can see. I will share the links to my matumbo and my chapati recipes in the description box below so that you try these combinations out. I hope you've learned something new today. Please do like and share my video. Until next time, bye!